Right, well, once again, it's time for another one of those dodgy vlogs by the side of a road. You can see my little sunshine over here, who probably won't want to be on camera because he's getting to that age. But we are here, there's my lovely wife. We're here at the random side of the road in Sutton-in-Craven near Keighley, West Yorkshire, because tonight it is Rudolph's Run. The Lothersdale Agricultural Society every year put on a massive trail of over 200 tractors, all lit up. You can probably hear them in the background making an absolutely chaotic noise, but it's just one of those times where the community comes out and comes together. Everyone lines the streets for miles. It's not even like this at times like the Queen's Jubilee or when the Tour de France comes past, but yeah, you can just hear the commotion going on behind me. So we're going to show you exactly what happens when 200 tractors get far too much money to spend on Christmas lights and make far too much noise in a peaceful neighbourhood. Let's go. You got to watch out for all these people walking up and down the road as well that have the little buckets that want some change putting in there, because a lot of them might not be official. It's full of scammers walking up and down trying to get some money, trying to get you to pay for the little chinky tea. It's crazy. Are you excited to see some tractors? Yeah. I've also got a young preteen. Yeah, he's like, Dad, you're so uncool now. I rock. It's coming, it's coming. I'm so excited.
Jingle bells ringing in my ear. Jingle bell, a sound that's oh so dear. Frosty the snowman is all around town. Watch out for reindeers are falling down. We stay up waiting for Santa tonight. He climbs down the chimney at the speed of light. Wow.
Stop for the fag break. He were well happy.
Carolers are singing outside our door. Lovely songs we all heard before. As they walk from house to house to wish us all a Merry Christmas Day. Oh.
You got to give them all a wave as well.
That's a good one.
Down and follow Rudolph all across the town. Later we meet under the mistletoe while Santa's busy saying ho ho ho. We're feeling jolly, eating Christmas cake, and then we go skating on the frozen lake, saying hi to every friendly face, and later we walk. Lovely songs we all heard before as they walk from house to house to wish us all a Merry Christmas Day.
You've got to think someone has just stepped out for a pint of milk, has drove onto a road somewhere and he's thinking, oh, God damn it.
A Merry Christmas Day.
Dance! Henry! It's dance time! You're gonna dance. Oh look! It's the dude that went out for milk!
Lovely songs we all heard before as they walk from house to house to wish us all a Merry Christmas Day. Yeah, a Merry Christmas Day.
Look! It's 2, they're 4, they're 6, they're 8, counting wheels and rolling free. Choo choo! What's Thomas got to do with Christmas?
Christmas tree, wishing on a Merry Christmas, dancing around the Christmas tree.
Man, look at them all. I don't know if you heard that, but that guy is going to knock him the out. I don't know who he is or what he'd done, but he weren't happy.
Reindeers are falling down. We stay up waiting for Santa tonight. He climbs down the chimney at the speed of light while we're dancing around the Christmas tree, hugging and kissing just you.
Crazy joking aside though, it is fantastic to see so many people come out to enjoy one thing together. You know, times of COVID and stuff like that, everyone used to do it with the old crazy clapping on a Thursday evening just after you've had your spag bol. But to see it at Christmas, I mean, this is kind of the side road, so you've only got a couple of... I'm getting really distracted by Baby Shark right now. I'll continue the conversation later. Hey, Santa! 6, 7, what? 6, 7? Santa, you suck!
Me under the mistletoe while Santa's busy saying ho ho ho. We're feeling jolly, eating Christmas cake, and then we go skating on the frozen lake. Saying
I kind of feel like the ozone layer above this spot here might have just thinned slightly.
carolers are singing outside our door, lovely songs we all heard before, as they walk from house to house to wish us all a Merry Christmas Day.
Ear, nose and throat department's going to be a bit busy tomorrow.
Merry Christmas Day. A Merry Christmas Day.
Baby, hello, Mr. Taxi. Taxi man getting in on the action, beeping and waving. Good on you, sunshine. Rudolph!
Whoa! That's crazy! Rudolph!
Wow.
To wish us all a Merry Christmas Day, yeah. A Merry Christmas Day. Dance around the Christmas tree, wishing all a Merry Christmas. Dance around the Christmas tree, wishing all a Merry Christmas. Dance around the Christmas tree, wishing all a Merry Christmas Day. Jingle bells ringing in my ear. Jingle bell, a sound that's oh so dear. Frosty the snowman is all around town. Watch out, the reindeers are falling down. We stay up waiting.
It's like being in some sort of nightclub on acid. It's mental.
And me, carolers are singing outside our door, lovely songs we all heard before, as they walk from house to house to wish us all a Merry Christmas Day.
Right, and one of the huge benefits of going to this thing is it goes down the end of my road, so literally in 20 seconds, I'm back here. at home. But yeah, it's a fantastic thing to go and do. Lothersdale Agricultural Society, it's for a great cause as well, but it's just something that's really community spirited. Everyone gets out there, everyone has a bit of fun. Don't matter how cold you are, grab a hot drink, grab a hot dog, get out there and get watching it, because it is a good evening. With that being said, I've been Darren, you've been watching Judventures, and I'll catch you on the next one. Goodbye.
Ride with Judventures, you know the name. Theme parks and attractions and kick-ass days. You got the big bearded husband, a beautiful blonde wife, and a cool young lad just living their best life. I'm the guy with the camera, beard game strong. Catch me in a scare maze, come scream along. News and reviews, I'm dropping the facts. Ride POVs and honest reacts. So follow the journey from scare to scream. Judventures, baby, let's live the dream.